Stop debugging your SQL queries at 3 a.m. Here's the ultimate hack for your database assignments. Database management can be one of the most challenging subjects in your computer science program. Between complex diagrams, endless SQL queries, and the headache of normalization, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if there was a better way to tackle these assignments? Expert assistance is available for all your database challenges, from basic SQL to advanced relational database design. Our team understands academic requirements and delivers well-researched, plagiarism-free solutions that help you learn the concepts, not just complete the assignment. Whether you're struggling with tight deadlines or complex database projects, you'll receive step-by-step guidance that builds your understanding. With 24/7 support, you'll never face those frustrating late-night debugging sessions alone again. Database assignments don't have to be stressful. They can actually be an opportunity to deepen your knowledge and improve your skills. Take control of your academic journey and focus on what really matters, mastering database concepts, not just surviving them.